Hello, hello, hello. I'm here to try this Rishi 63% cacao matcha swirled unroasted dark chocolate candy bar. Looks like I can't tell you what the sugars are because honestly it's way too small. Like way too small. I can tell you it's 135 calories per serving, and this is 2 servings. So, and I'm sure there's sugar in it. I just, can't read it to tell you. I got this as part of a giveaway winning from Jessie Miller. I will link her below, and if I can find this online, I'll link this as well. I'm not a big matcha fan or a big dark chocolate fan, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, as I open it up, I see this side of the chocolate bar looks like that. It is broken half, but I'm sure that's because of my rough handling. The other side looks like this, kind of that green, chocolatey matcha swirl situation. You can definitely smell the dark chocolate. Like that is 110% front and center. Let me see if I can bring this up here so you can see that and see this. Okay. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of dark chocolate or matcha, so we're gonna go into it, but you know. I'm definitely getting the dark chocolate flavor. Okay, there comes the bitterness. I was gonna say it's not overly bitter. There's definitely bitterness at the end, but not nearly what I thought there would be. I mean, honestly, yeah, this is much more palatable than I expected. Out of 5 stars, I would probably give this a solid. For a 63% dark chocolate and green tea, or matcha chocolate, I would say that this would be a solid 4 out of 5, easy. I probably wouldn't get this product in the future, and yeah, it's not one that calls to me. But if you are a fan of matcha or green or dark chocolate, this may be what you're looking for. What I am going to do with this, because I don't want it to go to waste, and it does have, like I said, the flavor's not, bad or anything. It's not overly bitter. So what I'm going to probably do with this is I am probably going to combine this with some honey, melt it down, combine it with some honey, and then drizzle it over either roasted nuts or maybe some popcorn. I think that would be a really nice way to enjoy this. Thank you, Jessie Miller, for the prize winnings, and I enjoyed trying this. I'm pleasantly surprised that it wasn't what I thought it was going to be, and that's nice. If you've ever tried this before, let me know what you thought of it, and if you have not tried this before, let me know in general. Do you like dark chocolate? Are you a fan of dark chocolate? Let me know down below, and I will see you in the very next video.